In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Epson Workforce WF-2930. So it's very easy. First, make sure that you are on the home page. So press the home button. You're going to use the left and right arrow to navigate to this first menu. So I'll press the right side arrow over here until I get to settings. Here we go. Once you see settings in the screen, press OK to select. Then press the left side arrow until you get to restore default settings. It's number 11 out of 12. Press OK. Now you have the choice to reset the whole printer or certain features of this printer. So if you have troubles with the Wi-Fi and you simply want to reset the Wi-Fi network, well, you can select network settings, press OK, and only this part of the printer will be reset. If you want to factory reset absolutely everything and the printer will be like new, you need to select clear all data and settings, 5 out of 5. So press OK. They'll ask us over here to confirm that this is what you want because it's not reversible. You cannot go back once you press the OK button. It will take around 1 minute, 2 minutes. Leave the printer alone. Don't press anything while it's resetting. And at the end, well, it will be like a brand new printer. You'll have to redo the setup. So choose your language, set up the time, and all the other stuff once the reset is done. Leave a like and also a comment down below if my video was helpful. This is very important for me. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.